Bonjour tout le monde, and welcome to a very special episode of Musings of a Fox. I've been feeling a little under the weather lately, and I think it's starting to show on my face. Since it's a brand new month, I figured, why not try something new? So I have for you today a natural makeup tutorial. Are you ready? And like magic, the Laura Mercier Artist Palette appears. I'm going to be taking Fresco and Primrose from this palette to help with this horrible eyelid discoloration I'm suffering. Longtime watchers know that my eyebrows always give me the most trouble, so it's Gimme Brow from Benefit to the rescue. I don't know what to do. They're long and they're curly and they just don't ever listen to me. But at least with Gimme Brow, they're somewhat, sort of, tamed-ish. From one problem child to the next, now we're on to these horrible dark circles under my eyes. I know, I need more sleep and I need more water, and I'm trying. Luckily, I have in my arsenal every beauty guru's top secret weapon. Tarte's Shape Tape to the rescue. This stuff is just magic under my eyes. Look at that difference. Oh my god. And now to tackle this complexion. I know, I tell you guys to love yourselves exactly as you are, and you should. But if you don't want to look like the newly deceased, you don't have to. To help me today, I'm using my favorite natural looking foundation, and that is Smashbox Studio Skin. I'm just gonna rub some life back into myself, and hopefully that will transfer into actually feeling alive. See, I should have gone full coverage. I always get this ruddiness in my cheeks. Well, nothing Max Dane Blush can't fix. See, nice and rosy-posy. Okay, just have to cover up the fact that this bronchitis is giving me a very low blood oxygen level. And what about, oh yes, Urban Decay's 1993. My perfect My Lips, but human. It smells like Thin Mints and tastes like happiness. We're almost there. And ta-da! Look at that rosy complexion, those bright eyes. This is the magic that makeup can work. This mermaid is ready to get out there and face the world and probably do absolutely nothing, but at least I'll feel pretty while I'm doing it. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I know this is just such a different look from me, but you know, we gotta try new things, right? You don't want it to get stale and boring. Well, I hope you guys have a great 1st of April, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
Oh my god, I can't. Oh, what have I done to myself? All for your amusement, internet. All for your amusement.